July 4th is a time to celebrate freedom, family, and fun. But each year, thousands of people head to the ER, all from accidents that could have been prevented. According to the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, over 10,000 injuries are reported every year from fireworks, and over 70% happen during the 2 weeks around Independence Day. Most involve hands, fingers, face, and eyes. It's not just humans. Thousands of pets go missing or are injured because of loud fireworks and unsafe environments. Even sparklers burn at 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than a blowtorch. Treat them like fire, not toys. Always have an adult present when fireworks are being used. Be ready. Accidents happen fast. Keep a bucket of water nearby, a hose, and even a fire extinguisher. And always soak used fireworks before throwing them in the trash. Fireworks terrify animals. Keep pets inside, play soft music, and close the curtains. Also check collars and tags. July 4th is the #1 day for lost pets in the US. If a firework doesn't go off, don't try again. It might explode late. Wait 20 minutes, then soak it in water before throwing it away. Only light fireworks on a flat, open surface, never near homes, power lines, dry brush, or flammable objects. Low-noise fireworks still look amazing, but they are safer for kids, pets, veterans, and wildlife. Choose beauty without the boom. This Independence Day, celebrate freedom by protecting the people and pets you love. Stay smart, stay safe, and happy 4th of July from Visual Education.